Hello guys, it's Johnny time and welcome to another Play to Earn tutorial. Today we will learn how to send crabs in Crabada from one wallet to another. Let's say you bought crabs on your ledger and you want to play it from your mobile phone. Now you're stuck. What do you do with those crabs? Do you sell them and buy again? Pay 4% to the marketplace free? No way. You can send them from one wallet to another, and today we will learn how to do it. And if you are interested in more Crabada videos or DeFi tutorials for passive income, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification button. Now without further ado, let's get started. So actually it's quite simple to send one crabs from one wallet to another one. You actually go to the marketplace, it's marketplace.crabada.com, or just click the marketplace link. Then you click on inventory. Inventory is basically gonna summarize all the crabs or eggs or whatever items that you have in your wallet. Of course, your wallet is connected. If it's not, click the connect button on the top right page. And then right now you can see that I have 3 eggs because I bred some crabs. And let's say I want to send this egg to another wallet. So I click on the egg and I scroll down a little bit until you can see over here the gift button. The gift button lets you send this egg, which is an NFT. It works the same with crabs to another wallet. So you're basically gonna paste your other wallet or the guy that we want to give to it, this crab, and you're gonna mark here that you understand that this action is irreversible, because basically what happens, you are sending the NFT from your wallet to another wallet. You're calling the transfer function to the ERC-72-1 contract, and once you do it, basically it's irreversible, it's gone, it's on the other wallet. So you're gonna click here gift and send a transaction to your Metamask wallet. Now I'm gonna reject it because I don't want to gift my egg, and I want to keep it because I'm excited about the crab that's gonna come out. Hopefully it's gonna be legendary. And this is the tutorial, guys. If you have any questions or you want to talk with me, join the Discord community or just comment in the comments below, and subscribe for more Crabada videos, and of course smash that like button. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next tutorials. Bye bye.